I do want to show you one other app that we integrated with. This one is called Flight Plan for DJI drones. It's kind of a native integration here, very similar features. So on the top left is the status of the drone. On the top right is the status of the sensor. So again, you can see the status message, the SD card, the number of GPS satellites. We have our own GPS on board the sensor, so that's the GPS status of the sensor itself. You can see those AIS measurements at the bottom. So very similar interface. One additional feature that we did add in this case was displaying footprints of the images on the ground. So you can verify your coverage as you're flying, make sure you're not getting any gaps in your imagery. Obviously, sometimes under very high winds, the aircraft is pitching and rolling, and you may end up with gaps. So this is a nice way to verify that you're getting the coverage you expect. And again, you can see the image counter there at the bottom. So again, all real-time information coming from the sensor as you're flying, and this is specific for the DJI M200 series.